Alright, Terry, I got your 4-pill here. I've been hammering on it. So I changed the flybacks and the two, well, the one input cap, the other one was gone. So I'm using a 14 watt radio like you have set up. Turn this off. 4 watt dead key. Oh. Audio. 14.3. Turn your amp on. We're running at 14.7.
Audio test 1 2 1 2.
I've been hammering on it. It's 84 watts.
Audio or 84 degrees. Still keyed up. Audio test 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio test. Audio.
So I've been doing that. It's been around 90 degrees. So I don't know if you have a SWR issue or what, but it's already dropped down to 89.
Audio test 1 2 1 2. Audio test. Audio test 1 2 1 2. Audio.
91 degrees on the heat sink. Coming out. So it should run pretty cool, you know, and that thing's blocking most of the air coming out anyway. A really good way to get in there. 91 degrees. I did put you a different fan in there, so hopefully that helps. But let me turn this off. Let's see here. We'll switch over to the Cobra 29. Does around 40 watts. Show you output on it. Audio test. Audio. So we'll shut the 29 off. We'll go to the Striker. Does around 80. Dead key in 3 watts. Swinging 80. Turn the Striker on. Audio, 800 and audio, 400 average. You talk loud enough. Let's check the temp. 91 degrees. So I think you'll be good. Like I said, make sure your SWR is good. That's the only other thing I know. Thank you, sir.